You are listening to CMU Podcast. This podcast is brought to you by Corporate Communication, the Alumni Relations Center, and the Language Institute. Hello everyone, this is Kelly, and welcome back to another episode of CMU Podcast. And today the news is CMU RailCFC, Civil Engineering. CMU sets up foundation for Thai railway development. Thailand is planning to drive its economy through innovation following the Thailand 4.0 scheme, in which developments in the aviation industry and logistics system involving efficient domestic and international transportation are of emphasis. Having a double-track railway foundation is a mountain that we need to climb because it allows trains to carry a larger number of goods or passengers at lower costs. Led by the university's president, Clinical Professor Niwes Nantachit, Chiang Mai University has assigned the Faculty of Engineering to lead the mission on the Thai Railway Foundation development and establish the Chiang Mai University Advanced Railway, Civil and Foundation Engineering Center, CMU RailCFC, which will be headed by Associate Professor Dr. Peerapong Jitsangiam. The center receives more than 18 million baht worth of support from the university. At present, there are 4 types of railways in Thailand: basic railway, urban railway, double-track railway, and other transports. The basic rail routes are either the monorail or double-track. The monorail accounts for 3,684 kilometers in total, and the double-track railway accounts for only 824 kilometers. A key advantage of the latter is the fact that it allows trains to run one track in each direction and to operate at higher velocities, speeds ranging from 100 to 120 kilometers an hour, thereby increasing transportation efficiency and boosting the economy. China's substructural technology is adopted as the blueprint for this development, as it is the only country in the world that can make the transition from steam locomotives to high-speed rail within one generation. Going forward, we can research what needs to be built or developed, utilizing knowledge in civil engineering in combination with insights on related topics such as steel rails, railroad sleeper parts, rail fasteners, track ballast, and railway drainage systems. CMU RailCFC gets support from the Railway Alliance, which comprises members such as Central South University and Beijing Jiaotong University. Its operation is divided into 3 major stages. The first stage focuses on the collaboration among the Alliance members and sets up a laboratory for advanced railway foundation technology that is capable of providing a one-stop service for inspecting railroad sleepers, among others. The mission also includes developing a body of knowledge with overseas partners. The next stage concerns proposal drafting to get funding, as 6 to 7 double-track lines are expected to be built, meaning an enormous amount of track ballasts and budget. Currently, researchers are studying the possibility of mixing old, degraded rocks along with new rocks, which would be better regarding limited budgets, as well as the environment, due to the decrease in blasting. If proven to be feasible, it will create a significant positive impact and go hand in hand with sustainable development goals. As for the final stage, the goal is to run a full operation in terms of teaching and international research to produce railway personnel to fulfill the country's needs and provide training for public